When enrolled with Citizens Online High School, monitoring your students' progress is easy with the Canvas Parent mobile app. Using Canvas, students and parents can view and select their courses from the dashboard. Once a course is selected, a list of all assignments and quizzes will be displayed, allowing you to plan and check their status. Using the built-in calendar, students can add events to set weekly achievements. This allows you to make a plan that matches your schedule to help you reach the weekly goals that you set. Parents on the go can easily track student activity using the Canvas Parent mobile app. Within the app, parents can select any course to view the assignments and current grades. Parents can also set assignment reminder notifications or message the instructors if needed. Your student's Canvas calendar can be synced with just about any calendar application you currently use. This allows you to stay in sync with your students' scheduled events and goals and is automatically updated every 24 hours. Monitoring your student's success is a rewarding experience that will not only help your student achieve their goal of becoming a high school graduate, but also provides numerous opportunities to promote motivation and reward accomplishments. If at any time you need additional assistance, the CHS staff and faculty members will be happy to assist.